Hello, I'm Audrey Jade from Pizza Today. I'm going to show you how to pickle vegetables. More specifically, how to quick pickle, which means that you don't even have to can them. One of the things that I love about pickling is that you can vary the taste drastically just by changing a few things. Today, I'm going to use apple cider vinegar, water, sea salt, a few whole peppercorns, a little bit of garlic, and some thyme. And then for the vegetables, we're going to use cauliflower and jalapenos. So we're going to use 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, 2 cups of water, and 2 tablespoons of sea salt. Here at the garage, we only have 1 electric oven, so we make do with a camp burner. And we're going to just let this come up to a boil. I like to core a little bit of the cauliflower, but leave some of it. I like the cauliflower to be bite-sized because it's going to go right on the pizza, and I don't want to have to cut it up after it's pickled. I like to cut the vegetables in different shapes depending on what kind it is and how I'm going to utilize it in the end. The cauliflower kind of just in a rough chop, and the jalapenos in rings because then it keeps the seeds in there and adds a little bit more heat to it. After you've got them all chopped up, just mix them together and then make sure that your jars are fully sterilized and clean, and we're going to pack the vegetables down as tightly as possible because they're going to shrink up a lot once that hot liquid hits them. And make sure you also leave about a ½ an inch from the top. So for the garlic cloves, I like to take the flat part of the knife and the palm of my hand and just smash it down. And then we're going to put 2 garlic cloves per container of this, and about a ½ teaspoon of our black peppercorns, and a few sprigs of thyme. Got our jars. Now that our pickling liquid has come to a boil, we're going to pour it on the top of these. And once the liquid is on, we're going to seal them up with our lids and make sure they're really sealed tight. And there you have it, our quick pickled veggies. We're going to bring these to room temperature, and then they'll go straight into the refrigerator. Since they're not canned, they do have to always be refrigerated. These should be ready in about 48 hours, so let's make a pizza with them now. We're going to make a very simple pizza with our quick pickles. It's going to be some tomato sauce, mozzarella, natural seasoning pepperoni, and our quick pickles. It's just going to really highlight the pickles, and the saltiness and kind of a little bit of that grease from the pepperoni is going to complement the pickles really well. Into the oven we go. And there we have it, our quick pickled pizza. Thanks for joining me, and if you want some more ideas of veggie toppings on pizzas, you can check out the print version in Pizza Today.